A daycare routine for the skin is very important to prepare the skin for the rest of the day and to make you feel happy and healthy through the day. So the first thing is a good face wash. So choose a right face wash. If you have a dry skin, use a moisturizing face wash. If you have acne prone skin, use a face wash which degreases the skin. Then use a toner. Use a simple toner which has ability to tighten the pores so that the skin looks nice and smooth. Then top it up with an antioxidant serum. This is very important. So what an antioxidant should do is it should give a shine and glow to the skin, and it should also make the skin healthier and fresher. So this should contain botanicals and vitamins and boosters. That's what your antioxidant should contain. And then top it up with a sunscreen, whether you're indoors or outdoors. Choose a sunscreen that has got multi light protection, so that is UVA, UVB protection, visible light protection, infrared, and anti-pollution factors which are there, should be there in your sunscreen. Choose the right sunscreen so that the skin doesn't look very greasy, it looks natural. And of course top it up with makeup if that's required.